and the sound pressure dB is 88 to 90 from a distance of 30 centimeters. In addition, the smoke detector is battery power. In addition, this smoke detector has a phone application, an Android phone application that has a button for a description, a window description, tells you how to use it, and also you have the control window that has a couple of features. You could snooze the phone, the smoke detector when the alarm is active. You could also set the sensitivity to low and high, and you could also stop battery notifications if you had a low battery. And here's a demo of receiving an active alarm. There should be. There it is. Receiving an active alarm, you would simply go here. It will take you to the control window, and you would simply snooze it. Now the low battery notification. Yes, there it is. You would go to the low battery. You would stop the notification, and that's it. You will no longer have any battery notifications. In addition, if you set to the low, you have kind of a monitor. It could not be seen here, but status is low, the sensitivity, and also you could set it to high when you go from low to high.